Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, what we should do is to restart audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or maybe in your browser. It's the same. Just remove this application from the cache and open it again. Then check. Maybe it fixes your problem. Also, I recommended to check if you have the last version of your application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. Next one, if it didn't help you, we should check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list, and also it should be connected. Tap on it, and then go to the settings at the right top. And here it is. In the last line we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so don't worry. Tap on it and check, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here at the bottom you will see a circle with download. You tap on it and it downloads this update, and then it changed to install, and you tap on it also and wait until this update is finished. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new updates like me, next one, what I recommended to do is to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with a phone. I recommended to install the phone. Restart the phone or your tablet or something else. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of the earbuds, right here at the top, we have SOUNDCORE logo. Here's touch areas. You need to press and hold both of these earbuds for at least 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can release your fingers. And firstly, we need to remove these earbuds and then add it. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to enter pairing mode manually. We just tap on it at the device list, and if you have Android, after a tap, you will see a window and you need to click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!